How to pass kidney stones quickly with this natural home remedies. The most important thing you can do for your kidney health is to take care of your body to reduce your chances of developing diseases that put a strain on your kidneys. To prevent kidney stones, you need to know what caused your kidney stone. It is a solid piece of material that forms in a kidney when substances that are normally found in the urine become highly concentrated. Kidney stones are caused by high levels of calcium, oxalate, and phosphorus in the urine. The best way of preventing kidney stones is to make sure you drink plenty of water each day to avoid becoming dehydrated. It is very important to keep your urine diluted to avoid waste products forming into kidney stones. So, what is the best way to treat and get rid of kidney stones? Add lemon to your water. This is a natural treatment that conventional nephrologists have gotten right. While lemon water is often touted as a cleansing or alkalizing drink, the main reason it is helpful in reducing stone formation is its citric acid content. Citric acid inhibits stone formation and breaks up small stones that are beginning to form. The more citric acid in your urine, the more protected you are against forming new kidney stones. Citric acid makes urine less favorable for the formation of stones. It prevents small stones from becoming I-problem stone C by coating them and preventing other material from attaching and building onto the stones. Lemons and limes have the most citric acid. Pharmacological doses of citric acid, prescribed as potassium citrate, are effective in the treatment of stones. However, treatment may be costly and require as many as 12 tablets daily. A half cup 4 ounces of pure lemon juice per day or 32 ounces of prepared lemonade provide about the same amount of citric acid as does pharmacological therapy. Dilute 2 ounces lemon juice with 6 ounces water and drink twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening to reach the goal of 4 ounces lemon juice per day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button.